Hello children, welcome back to Tales by Green Wolf. Do you remember the rhyme that we recited, The Little Turtle, last Monday? Shall we recite it together today? Are you ready? There was a little turtle who lived in a box. He swam in the puddles and climbed up the rocks. He snapped at the mosquito, he snapped at the flea, he snapped at the minnow, he snapped at me. He caught the mosquito, he caught the flea, he caught the minnow, but he didn't catch me. Wonderful! So today we are going to make a bobblehead turtle. Do you want to see? Boing, boing. So before we begin how to make, I'm going to tell you all the items and all the supplies that you will need.
For this, you will need an A4 size sheet KG cardboard, a square piece of KG cardboard, 2 long strips, crayons, googly eyes, glue stick, a bowl, and a pencil.
Now that you're ready with all your supplies, let's begin. Always remember to spread out a newspaper whenever you're doing any art and craft work. I'm using a blank sheet so that it will be very clear to you as to what I'm doing. So to start with, you should take your A4 size KG cardboard, and of course to draw you need a pencil. Let's start drawing the turtle now. I'm going to start by drawing the sun with the help of this bowl. Place it half on the paper and draw the outline. There's your sun. Now we are going to draw the shell of the turtle. You have to draw a big shell and draw 2 big legs. And let's give him 3 toes. Let's decorate his shell. And finally, let's draw the sea. We have the drawing of a turtle. Now it's time to color. Children, now that we have finished coloring, we have to make the head of the turtle. For that, you have to take this square piece and use this bowl to draw the face of the turtle. With the help of your parents, cut the face of the circle and color it. I have one done already for you. Now we are going to put the eyes and a beautiful little smile on the turtle's face. For that, with the help again with your parents, draw 2 circles and cut them and draw a black outline. We are going to paste this on the face. Use your glue stick, apply a little glue and put it on the face. Both the eyes. I have also used googly eyes. You can buy them from any store. we are going to paste the googly eyes right in the middle of this eye. Oops, it's got stuck to my hand. So you got to be very careful. There we go. And we are going to paste the other eye on the other side. Using your sketch pen, draw a smiley face. And the face of a turtle is ready. Now we're going to put the head on the turtle's body. For that, bring out your 2 strips of paper. We are going to paste them like this. Can you see it? So we are going to start by gluing these 2 strips together. Once you do it, you just have to put them one over the other. And from the bottom to the top. From this side to the other side. From the top to the bottom. From this side to the other side. Again, bottom to the top, side to side, top to bottom, side to side, bottom to top, side to side, top to bottom, side to side, bottom to top, and side to side. And we are going to glue the last 2 pieces. Are you ready? We are going to glue it so that it doesn't come out. And we are going to glue the other side. Are we ready to put the head of the turtle to its body? Boing, boing, boing. So we are going to glue the head over this. Just there. Right there. And we are going to glue the other end on the body and press him down. And we have our bobblehead turtle ready. Children, I hope you have enjoyed making this bobblehead turtle. Please do make yours and send a picture on the below address of our email. I will see you next again on Monday with a different story or maybe a rhyme or a song. Until then, please do take care of yourself. Bye.